Here's a little behind the scenes look at how we work. Ready for this? Watch. There's the horse trailer, which Willie, me, Jason, and anybody else who shows up is just working on as fast as they can. Then we got one camera that's doing its job, just filming everything. Inside the horse trailer, we got another little GoPro. Come back over here. We got this little workstation that's working in the background. Look at this, my little rugged drive. And judging by how fast the light is blinking, it's working its little heart out. So I'm downloading footage right here. We're simultaneously building that. And I'm filming on 1, 2, and 3 cameras. And we're basically just running and jamming all day.